Welcome friends, in this video we shall talk about Apan Mudra. This mudra cures all problems related to stomach and urinary tract. Specifically, it cures hiccups, impotency, piles and diabetes. This mudra detoxifies the body. It fixes stomach disorders and all urinary tract related infections. It cures high blood pressure. All menstrual related problems are cured by this Apan Mudra. Also, it fixes toothaches and gum diseases. Now let's proceed ahead. But before we do that, friends, please subscribe our channel, like and share all our videos. Apan Mudra. This mudra is formed by joining together the tips of the thumb, the middle finger and the ring finger. And while we do this, we should keep the other two fingers straight and upright as shown in the photograph here. This mudra signifies the union of fire, space and earth elements. This mudra is made up of Akash Mudra and Prithvi Mudra. Therefore, Apan Mudra alone gives the benefits of Akash Mudra and Prithvi Mudras together. Apan Mudra. This mudra removes toxins and cleanses the blood and all the organs by stimulating sweating or perspiration, increasing stool and urine. It acts like laxative and cures constipation. This mudra cures stomach disorders including diarrhea and gastritis. Apan Mudra cures nausea, hiccups and vomiting, etc. It relieves in overeating related discomforts. It cures all ailments related to urinary tract infections such as cystitis, nephritis, albumin and pus in the urine, urine stoppage, etc. It removes small stones in the urinary tract and burning sensation while passing the urine. It is useful in diseases such as colon infections and piles. This mudra helps in menstrual problems including irregularity, pain and cramps. Apan Mudra. This cures high blood pressure, respiratory diseases and liver diseases. This mudra heals toothache, gum diseases such as pyorrhea. If navel is displaced, performing this mudra along with Uttan Pad Asan is very helpful. For diabetes, perform Apan and Pran Mudras alternatively for 15 minutes each at least 3 times a day. Apan Mudra cures impotency. If done for 15 minutes thrice a day during the 9th month of the pregnancy, this mudra will ensure a normal delivery. However, be cautious because some experts advise not to do this mudra in the first 8 months of pregnancy to avoid any miscarriage. Apan Mudra. This mudra signifies flow of energy from navel to feet. Thus, it affects all the organs in this area, including stomach, colon, rectum, anus, small and large intestines, thighs, hips, reproductive organs for both men and women, gallbladder, legs, knees, feet, ankles, etc. It remedies migraine when done along with Janana Mudra. Apan Mudra can be performed daily for as long as possible. That is, there is no time limit. However, be cautious. Don't do this mudra immediately after meals. Apan Mudra can be done anywhere, anytime. Now let's have some general information on the mudras. But I would suggest please watch our other videos, especially the first one in this playlist, to get the accurate and more detailed information on hand mudra yoga. Here is the summary of 13 core mudras, out of which 8 are Tattva mudras and 5 are Pranic mudras. Many more mudras can be created by joining different fingers and thumb in different manners. Here is the summary of Pranic Mudras. If you join tip of the thumb with the tips of the middle and the index fingers, you get Vyan Mudra. Similarly, if you join tip of the thumb with tips of the ring finger and the middle fingers, you get Apan Mudra. Using the same fingers, but instead of tips, just fold the ring finger and the middle finger and press against the palm, you get another mudra called as Meow Mudra. Next is that if you join tip of the thumb with the tips of the little finger and the ring fingers, that is this little finger and the ring finger, you get a mudra called as Pran Mudra. If you join tips of all the 5 fingers, you get Saman Mudra, which is also called as Mukul Mudra. If you join tips of index finger, middle finger and ring finger along with the thumb tip, then you get a mudra called as Udan Mudra. Here is the summary of 8 Tattva Mudras. Please watch our first video in this series where you can get more details of all these Tattva and Pranic mudras. But in summary, if thumb is pressed onto the tip of the index finger, we get Gyan Mudra. When we fold the index finger and we press it lightly by the thumb, we get Vayu Mudra. Similarly, if we press the tip of middle finger by the thumb, we get Akash Mudra. And if we fold the middle finger and then press lightly with the thumb, we get Shunya Mudra. Similarly, with the ring finger, with the tip we get Prithvi Mudra, and with the ring finger folded we get Surya Mudra. Little finger gives us Indra Mudra, and then when the little finger is folded, it gives us the Varun Mudra. Doing mudras. Mudras can be done anytime in any pose. For example, while sitting, standing, watching TV, or even while walking. Mudras can be done by one hand, or they can be done by both the hands. For example, you can do Vayu Mudra by your right hand and not do anything at the same time with the left hand. But generally it is better if you do the same mudra with both the hands simultaneously. Mudras should be done daily for 45 minutes. However, if needed, mudra can be done for 15 minutes 3 times a day as well. A mudra done along with deep breathing shows quicker results. Do not do any mudra for at least 30 minutes after the meals, except the Surya Mudra, which is used for improving the digestion. 2 different mudras can be done simultaneously, one by the right hand and the other by the left hand. However, do not do opposite mudras, for example Prithvi Mudra and the Surya Mudra, because Prithvi Mudra is used for increasing the body weight and the Surya Mudra is its opposite and it is used for decreasing the body weight. Mudras can be done along with other therapies as well.